I'm gonna show you the downstairs here. This is the basement one. We've been here many times, so I'm not gonna really go in depth with this thing. We're just gonna look around. But I've done, I feel like I've done many tours of this area. So we're just gonna look at the stuff that we want to look at today. Wow, this looks good too. These little candies.
I don't remember.
Well, I did, not you. I don't know if I was with you. Wow, man, these cakes look so delicious.
I wish I could eat all this.
Oh my god. They got like special seasonal cakes too as well. She must be really happy when you eat that cake, that girl.
Smell looks delicious.
It's good because like maybe like you see things that I don't see, because last time when I did a video about this place, maybe there are things that you see that I don't. I just kind of just run through it. Oh, it's cool. She's doing it by the video call. Just cool. That's so awesome. She must be a nice mom. Guinness Book of Records. For what? Best-selling plain financier cake. This?
Look at this. I think girls will like this kind of small.
Who would like it?
Girls.
Girls, this is from Betty. This place is called Henry Carpenter? Charpentier? I don't know. Charpentier. The name of this place.
Oh, jelly. Like jelly.
I've never had like a big piece of jelly like this.
Should we buy one?
No, I don't feel like it's good.
Why? Too much sugar?
No, I just like a little bit of it is like normal, but like a whole chunk of jelly, I don't know. Should we try it?
Yeah.
Should I buy one and just do it on the video?
Oh, how about me?
I don't know. Just have one for you for later.
Yeah. Good.
They got like some kiwi inside. You want one?
Yeah, you think this one is better or that one? The one that saw a lot of fruit inside. Which one is better?
I mean, this one's only $2.70. The mango one looks good. I always like mango though.
The orange.
So this one is double the price than the other one, but they have more fruit inside. It's like all filled with fruits. And I've never had this actually, so we might buy one of these. Alright, I want to choose the mango one. Is it Henry Charpentier? Asia. This is in Hyogo. If you know what it is, let me know in the comments.
Maybe this one?
What is this, grape?
But what is the... maybe I just...
So they got like a little curry shop here. You can eat there. That looks pretty good. Got some chocolates. Oh, they got some more food over here. It's not as busy though. I think it's because of the new state of emergency. People are just kind of staying home, and it's really hot too. So usually on Saturdays, this place is really packed. Not as packed as Takashimaya though. But I think all this stuff is brand new. Some sushi.
Should we have a easy lunch here? Like, just buy a little bit of things that we don't get?
Maybe.
Oh,
Wow, look at
can
this.
we eat it?
Probably not. Wow, that looks really good. I wanted to try this, so I'm gonna get 100 grams of this pork here. Pork belly. Alright, this is B2. I think I want to try some food down here. We're gonna walk around a little bit here too. I've done a full tour down here as well, so we're just gonna look real quick. If you want, we got some Korean chicken here.
A lot.
Yeah. Alright. It's really quiet over here. They even have like the Shanghai dumplings over there.
They have mango drink.
Oh, this place is busy, huh?
After that, let's go drink a mango drink.
From where? Yeah, I think it's this one. It's really busy, this place.
You want to buy one?
If you want, you can.
Because whatever we need in here.
This place has like a huge line, and they got like these $20 drinks here. They got mango, chocolate brownie. I think they share it though. Alright, Alright, I found the seat over here. That little jelly place. Look at this fancy little bag that they give you. It's like in a bag, and then with this little tape. And then I got some of that pork. The pork was still expensive. Little bit of pork for $7.
Yeah, I don't care.
Alright, here's the pork. It's crispy. It's pork belly. Let's see. I don't know if you can see me. That is really good. It's so crispy. I've always tried to make crispy pork like this. I never can do it. Oh, you might be in the video. Alright. Yeah, it's really good. I wish I could eat this with rice, but I really don't eat rice, so. Because $7 is worth it. It's so good. Alright, so this pork is really good. It's really delicious. Very crispy. The skin is really crispy. I thought it had some flour, but they said no flour, no soy sauce. It's just salt, and I think they just deep fried in oil. So there's only a few pieces, but I think it's okay. This would be really good with some like lettuce wraps, some rice. Some Korean spicy sauce. It's really good. Those girls have the drink over there. They're like $20. I don't know if you can. Maybe I can zoom in after post edit. All right. Let's get the jelly in here. Can you put the other one back? This one. All right. So I got the mango one. I've never had jelly before. I'm not a big jelly fan. I don't even know if I can finish this. Alright, here we go. This was like $4. I don't know if you can see me. This lighting is not that good. Oh, it's peach and mango. Spilled. Alright, let's try some of this. It just reminds me when I was a little kid. I guess they really like jelly here. I'm guessing the quality is really good, but it just tastes like the jelly you eat when you're in like preschool. I think it's weird people like this, to eat this like I don't know, as an adult maybe. I don't know.
Why? You don't like it?
I like it, but I think back even in America, I think only kids eat like this stuff like this. Like when I was in preschool or elementary school, they would give me something like this, like the cheap version.
So how the adult eat that?
I don't know. It's not bad though.
Yeah. I
just
think
can't.
this one will be delicious because there's a lot of fruit inside. So
I don't know, like I feel like there's a lot better dessert option than this. That noise. Guy's playing music. Watch this guy. So last week I was here and I went to a second street down the street. I think this could be new. I want to check it out. Let's go look in here. This is like one of the biggest stores for secondhand goods. Oh, this store has a lot of stuff. Got watches. They got Rolexes? Wow. the Supreme, I don't know what kind of bag. This is like $2,000. They got some Louis Vuitton bags, $2,000. Got a whole bunch of Louis Vuitton here. More Louis Vuitton. Oh, they got a lot of stuff out. Usually like these Gucci and Louis Vuitton bags are like in the case. This purse has a lot of stuff like this Akira shirt. They got vitamins. I don't know how to say this, but they have this brand. Got some Supreme here. This Supreme hoodie is about $300. All right, we're almost at the this famous bridge here. Yeah, usually there's a lot of people. I will look back here. Look at this. Looks like there's a lot of people. It's always crowded in this little area. I don't know why, but usually this bridge is filled. Let's look at this bridge over here. Yeah, it's really hot today. It's really hot and humid. So my girlfriend went to, she wanted to check out some stores, so she went over there. So I'm gonna go quickly to where I wanted to go earlier. So that's where I'm gonna go now. But it seems like there's not a lot of people out right now. One thing is crazy, it's so quiet and there's so many people walking. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's pretty much nothing. It's very quiet. Nobody's really talking. If they're talking, they're very much with low voice, but it's very quiet. You would imagine like this many people would be really noisy and talkative, or just noisy. We're almost to the end. We're gonna go to where that Takashima Mall is. I don't know if you guys know about it, but there is like a toy store inside of that place. So I'm gonna check it out real quick. Here's the famous cheesecake of Japan, very popular, always a long line. Not so much right now, but yeah, there seems to be a lot of people still. I would just say like average, not like too many, not too less. I would say like 10% less than usual, but it is Saturday. I think it's just the heat. It's just so hot today, so humid. I think that's why people are more so inside than outside today. All right, so I'm on the basement 1, B1 in the train station, but I can't find the store. The Starbucks here, it's so packed. Can't find the store anywhere. I think I'm lost. All right, so the Google Maps was wrong, and then I asked the information desk because these information maps are all in Japanese. So I've never been through this little street, and that's probably why I've never seen this store. So I'm on my way right now. Yeah, I've never been on this side of the this place here. I should do like a full tour of this whole place. Maybe when I don't have anything else to do, I might do like a real full tour of this whole station slash oh, is this the store? What store is this? I don't know, what is this? This is some sort of like electronic store. What? We'll go look at it real quick. Wow, look at this store. It looks so fancy. Oh. Whoa, they got like a bunch of cameras here. I didn't know about this place. This is cool. Wow, this place is huge. Wow. Some Pantex. You got some Sonys here, but the problem is all of these are in Japanese, so you can't really change the language. But I know the Canon ones are in English. About $1,000 bucks. Oh, they got some like old school cameras too. I think these are old school cameras. This is more like a museum than a store. Oh, they have like this little replica of Osaka. This is crazy. Whoa. We got the airport. Expo City. I think that ramp is for anybody with handicap, like if you have a wheelchair or anything like that. This is a cool clothes shop. Oh, I might look at it real quick. So this store has like surfboards and it's huge. It's kind of like out brand, like out I don't know what to say, like outdoor brands, like more like skateboarding, surfing, hiking. They got hats here.